Good morning, friends. In today's lecture, I'm going to define shear force and bending moment by using simply supported beam. For a beam, if you provide two supports, then it is called as a simply supported beam. In this, I have calculated reaction at support A and C. It is 10 kilonewton on both the side. If this structure has to be in equilibrium, whatever the load acting on the beam, it should be equal to the reaction from the beam. Then only the structure will be in equilibrium. While solving the problem, I will tell you how to find out the reaction and how the structure will be in equilibrium. Now, by using this diagram, I am going to define shear force and bending moment. When the structure is given to you, in this two methods are there. Either you can use right section method, means if BC portion is there, in that you are going to divide that. Either you can use right section method or you can use left section method. Therefore, shear force is the algebraic sum of the vertical forces which are acting on the left or right of the section, and its unit is Newton. And through that shear force variation, you are going to draw the shear force diagram. Shear force diagram is denoted by, or we will call it as SFD. SFD is nothing but, in SFD, which shows the variations of the shear force along the length of the beam. Shear force diagram or SFD is one which shows the variation of the shear force along the length of the beam. While solving the problem, I will show you the variations in the shear force diagram. Just understand what do you mean by SFD. Now we'll see bending moment and bending moment diagram. Bending moment is nothing but vertical load into perpendicular distance. Here also I have used the same simply supported beam subjected to point load. Bending moment is vertical load into perpendicular distance. If this is point A, B and point C, if I want to calculate bending moment at point B, vertical load into perpendicular distance. Vertical load is 10 kilonewton multiplied by distance. Up to this point, the distance is 2 meter. Vertical load is 10 multiplied by 2. That will give you the bending moment at point B. But I need to find out the bending moment for the entire section, or how I am going to define it. Bending moment is the algebraic sum of the moments of all the forces acting to the right or left of the section. As I told you, in these two methods are there. Either you can use left section method or you can use right section method. Bending moment is the algebraic sum of the moment. Moment is nothing but vertical load or vertical force into perpendicular distance. Bending moment is the algebraic sum of the moments of all the forces acting to the right or left of the section, and its unit is Newton meter. Force unit is Newton and the length unit is meter. Therefore, bending moment is Newton, that is vertical load is Newton multiplied by perpendicular distance is meter. Unit is Newton meter. Through the bending moment, whatever the variations which you are going to draw, we are going to call it as bending moment diagram or BMD. BMD is one which shows the variation of the bending moment along the length of the beam. The bending moment variations which you are going to see along the length of the beam. We are going to call it as bending moment diagram. The notes are provided in the description. In the next lecture, I am going to discuss about types of load and types of beam. Thanks for watching.